In the pdfFiller editor, click on the drop-down next to the Done button. Then, select SendToSign and proceed to configure the settings. List the documents you're requesting signatures for, or click Add another document to add more documents if necessary. You can add up to 5 documents. Provide a list of the recipients you're requesting signatures from. Indicate recipient email addresses and names in the respective boxes. You can add up to 20 recipients. Choose Need to Sign to send your documents directly to the signer, or In-Person Signer to send your documents to a host who will then ask a third party to sign your document. In the Security and Privacy Settings section, you can protect your document with a password to prevent it from unauthorized access. If you're sending medical documents for signature, activate HIPAA compliance. For additional protection, you can also generate a unique document ID and activate the electronic record and signature disclosure to notify your signers about the legal status of their signature. Set an expiration date for your document to limit how long it may be accessed. Authenticate your recipients by selecting one or all of the following authentication methods: via phone number, social media account, or photo. List extra documents you'd like recipients to include when submitting their signed documents. You can add a description for your requested supplemental documents to avoid confusion. Define editing access levels for your recipients. Slide the toggle to select whether recipients can only sign your document or edit it as well. Edit and Sign allows recipients to edit a document before signing it. You can activate the Enforce Required Fields and Signature stamp to automatically record the time and date a document was signed. In the next section, you can customize a welcome message for your document. Feel free to change the subject and body of the message. You can also attach a business card and a link to an introduction video. Finally, set notifications and reminders for recipients to complete your documents on time. Schedule alerts for documents that haven't been signed to remind recipients about documents with pending signature requests. If everything looks fine, your document is good to go. Click the Send to Sign button at the bottom of the page to send out your document for signature.